I am intentional about how I use my time and energy. I thrive when I am clear and focused. I set actionable goals for myself. I am working toward achieving greatness. I am kind and compassionate towards myself. My confidence grows when I accept myself unconditionally. I am working towards my dreams. New opportunities are being placed in my path. I release attachment to the past. I open myself up to a bright and beautiful future. I am always giving it my all. My present moment best is enough. I hold the power to manifest whatever I desire. New pathways into the future are always available. I release self-imposed limitations. The universe is my playground.